What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. This is episode 3 of a video series about everything that you should know about Beaujolais Nouveau. And we're looking at how is this Beaujolais Nouveau wine made. Is it any different from any other wines? Well, Beaujolais Nouveau is made from the local Beaujolais grape called Gamay in the Beaujolais wine region of France. It is made using a special winemaking technique though called the carbonic maceration. A process where the entire grape bunches without pressing are trapped in a tank full of carbon dioxide or CO2. This naturally helps bringing out the natural fruitiness of the grapes, amplifying notes of banana, strawberry or pear, which results in Beaujolais Nouveaus being very pleasing, simple and easy to enjoy because they're so upfront fruity. It also helps with making wines that are light in tannins, fruity as we said, therefore enjoyable to enjoy, straight away without having to age the wine neither at the winery prior to release nor in your cellar after buying it. You can essentially gulp it while the wine is about a month and a half old, which is not very common for any other wine. Make sure to watch the next episode of the series to learn more about the most important question about Beaujolais Nouveau. When does it come out? When is this Beaujolais Nouveau Festival celebrated? I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Linking to this video right here. Just watch it. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Au revoir.